It's busy in the AWS Cloud. Together, let's keep up with the latest and greatest from AWS. Let's get into it. Amazon Connect launches updated hours of operation UI with CloudTrail support. Amazon Connect launches a new hours of operation UI with an enhanced user experience, AWS CloudTrail coverage and tagging. Hours of operation let you indicate when your call center is open, and are used when building flows and routing contacts to agents. Now when your operating hours are configured or modified in the Amazon Connect admin website, a record of that activity is available in AWS CloudTrail for visibility, reporting, and compliance. You can answer questions such as, what were our hours before that change, and, when was that schedule deleted? To learn more about the new Hours of Operations page, see the Amazon Connect Administrator Guide and the AWS CloudTrail documentation. Amazon EC2 C7GD, M7GD, and R7GD instances now available in additional regions. Starting today, Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud C7GD, M7GD, and R7GD instances with up to 3.8 terabytes of local NVMe-based SSD block-level storage are now available in Asia-Pacific and US West regions. Additionally, M7GD and R7GD instances are now available in Asia-Pacific. Amazon EC2 high memory instances now available in Europe, London, and Europe, Spain, regions. Starting today, Amazon EC2 high memory instances with 6 TB of memory are now available in Europe and Europe regions. Customers can start using these new high memory instances with on-demand and savings plan purchase options. Amazon EC2 C6in, M6in, M6in, R6in, and R6in instances now support higher Amazon EBS optimized instance performance. Today, we are announcing an improvement to the Amazon Elastic Block Store performance of Amazon Compute Optimized C6in, General Purpose M6in and M6in, and Memory Optimized R6in and R6in EC2 instance types. Enhanced co-sell experience for AWS partners. AWS introduces an enhanced co-sell experience for AWS partners using APN customer engagements. Extend your Amazon Managed Grafana experience with Grafana Community plugins. Amazon Managed Grafana now features a new self-service plugin management experience for Grafana Community plugins. With this release, Amazon Managed Grafana administrators can discover and install Grafana Community plugins directly from their workspace. Plugins enable you to extend your Grafana experience, unifying data from a wider variety of data sources with visualizations tailored to analyze your unique datasets. AWS CloudTrail Lake announces new pricing option optimized for flexible retention. Today, AWS CloudTrail Lake announces a 1-year extendable retention pricing option that is optimized for flexible data retention needs. CloudTrail Lake is a managed data lake that lets you aggregate, immutably store, and analyze activity logs for audit, security, and operational investigations. With the 1-year extendable retention pricing, the first year of retention is included with ingestion charges. You may choose to extend the retention period to a maximum of 10 years by paying extended retention charges after the first year. Compliance, audit, security, and operations teams can use the new pricing option for cost-effective retention of auditable data sources in alignment with compliance programs such as PCI DSS, as well as for forensic and operational investigations. New self-guided software path experience. In October, AWS launched a self-guided experience in AWS Partner Central with automated tasks that accelerates the partner journey from registration to listing in AWS Marketplace. Now, we've extended that guidance throughout the software path, providing partners with the personalized tasks and guidance to help you develop and mature your software offering. As you progress through the 4 growth motions of build, market, sell and grow, you'll automatically become eligible for key ISV programs like AWS SaaS Factory and AWS ISV Accelerate. Relevant tasks will be surfaced to help you complete the requirements and unlock greater partner benefits and programs. Amazon RDS for SQL Server supports SQL Server Major Version 2022. Amazon RDS for SQL Server now supports Microsoft SQL Server 2022 CU9 for Express, Web, Standard, and Enterprise editions. You can now leverage SQL Server 2022 features such as query store enhancements, parameter-sensitive plan optimization, and SQL Server Ledger on your Amazon RDS for SQL Server DB instances. Amazon EBS announces Snapshot Lock to protect snapshots from inadvertent or malicious deletions. Today, Amazon EBS announced the availability of Snapshot Lock, a new security feature that helps customers comply with their data retention policies and add another layer of protection against inadvertent or malicious deletions of data. Customers use EBS snapshots to back up their EBS volumes for disaster recovery, data migration, and compliance purposes. Customers can set up multiple layers of data protection for EBS snapshots, including copying them across multiple AWS regions and accounts, setting up IAM access policies as well as enabling recycle bin. With Snapshot Lock, customers can configure locks on individual snapshots so that they cannot be deleted by anyone, including the account owner, for a specified period of time. Customers have the flexibility of granting certain users access to modify snapshot lock configurations per their data governance guidelines or implementing stricter controls by ensuring that the lock configuration cannot be modified by anyone, including privileged users. Customers can also rely on this feature to store EBS snapshots in a worm-compliant format. Announcing frozen collections for Amazon Keyspaces for Apache Cassandra. Amazon Keyspaces is a scalable, serverless, highly available, and fully managed Apache Cassandra-compatible database service that offers 99.999% availability. Amazon S3 announces S3 storage lens groups for customized and granular visibility. Amazon S3 Storage Lens introduces storage lens groups, a new way to aggregate metrics using custom filters based on object metadata. Storage lens groups help you drill down into characteristics of your data, such as distribution of objects by age, your most common file types, and more. This information helps you to better understand and optimize your S3 storage. Amazon EC2 auto-scaling adds greater control over EC2 instance replacement. Today, Amazon EC2 auto-scaling launches a new capability, instance maintenance policy, for customers to define whether instances are launched before or after existing instances are terminated during instance replacement. This controls how your group replaces instances for operations such as instance refresh, health checks, and rebalancing. From the console, you can choose policy presets or provide unique settings that help you optimize for availability or cost. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more and hit the bell icon to be notified as soon as we upload. Please leave a comment if you have any thoughts or suggestions, and if you think this video is worth sharing with someone who could benefit from it, please forward a link to them. See you next time. Thanks for watching.